Sabi nga sa Matthew, look at the birds in the sky. They don't work, they don't harvest, they don't store in the barn, and yet, they're taken care of. Yan! Yan yung tinatawag na kultuhan lang tayo. Right? Anyone forced to be here, napilitan lang. Yan, thank you sa mga napilitan lang. Palakpakan natin silang lahat. Okay? Hindi alam ba't ka nandito. Kung ano-ano pinayan, palakpakan naman natin yung mga yan, no? For honesty, level 10, maraming salamat. It's an honor and privilege for us to welcome all of you here on a beautiful Saturday morning. Palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. Because the whole truth here is Saturday morning could have been sleeping day. Di ba umulan? Yes. Di ba tarang, ano ba yan? Awakening, ang sarap matulog. Anas lang, taas ang kamay, katulad ko, ang sarap matulog. Wow, palakpakan natin lahat. Okay, because the truth is, you could have been at bed, sleeping, doing nothing, but you're still here, palakpakan natin. Okay? Sino dito, for the whole week, you worked so hard, Saturday could have been just your rest day, raise your hand. O pinapalakpakan po natin dahil nandito kayo. Sino dito, negosyante, na today is supposed to be money-making day, but you're here, raise your hand, palakpakan natin, maraming salamat. Honoring and thanking all of you, especially our young kids, ng mga bata, for being here. Maraming salamat, palakpakan natin lahat. Because this is one thing I'll guarantee you. Pwede ba ako magbigay ng guarantee? If you go full out, what's the word? Full out. Kumbaga, itodo nyo na. Bigay nyo na buong buo. Your life will never be the same again. And 1 year from now, May 16, 2027, pag nagkita kayo, you will be unrecognizable. What's the word? Unrecognizable. Ibig sabihin mo sa kanila, friend, may pag-asa pa tayo. Kasi nga, ito yung paniwala ko. Okay? Sino dito sa inyo, katulad ko, lumaki kayo, feeling nyo ang pangit-pangit yung taas ng kamay? Wow, gandang-ganda sa sarili. Congratulations, no? Guys, maniwala kayo, no? I am 55 years old right now. Next week will be my birthday. Yay! At grabe lang ang nangyari sa akin. Ask me what? Sabihin mo sa kanya, friend, kung napanganak kang pangit, huwag masyadong i-emphasize. Kasalanan ng magulang mo yan. Di ba? Kasi mana-mana eh. Tapos sabihin mo sa kanya, friend, pag namatay kang pangit, kasalanan mo na yan. Because I'm so blessed, I'm so happy, I'm 55 years old right now, and grabe lang ang nangyari sa akin, simply because if I look at my pictures, baby, little child, teenager, parang tumatanda ako ng paurong in terms of itsura. Gwapo na ba si Coach Ross? Yes or no? Siyempre, pag nagka-budget, gagwapo ka rin. Di ba? And that's something I'm really excited. Ask me why. Because awakening is for us to now to understand that the moment you really know deep in your heart who you are, not as a normal human being, but as a natural human being, the older you get, the hotter you become. Maganda ba yun? The older you get, you have more money. Maganda ba yun? The older you get more love you get. And that is natural. What is normal? Yung normal, the older you get in terms of health, gumagandang health o pumapangit? The older you get? Most of the time, yung normal, diba? Lalo ngayon, di ba, yung mga, meron tayong mga nakikita dyan sa TikTok, trentahin. Sino yung mga trentahin dito? Di ba? Tapos anong sayo ng trentahin? Hawak mo ang Vicks. Vicks na pala, no? Kung ano-ano nang nilalagay sa katawan. Yes or yes? 30 pa lang yan, ha? Can you imagine? And I'm scared. Ask me why. Because this is not natural. I don't know if you learned in the Old Testament, people live up until 900 years. Did you hear that? Yeah, and that's how we were designed to be. Except maybe we were trained, we were programmed to think that okay lang ang magkaroon ng health issues because normal yan. It's not. And I don't want to buy to that in, and that's why I'm putting this out because I believe not only me, thousands of graduates, right now, the older they get, the yummier they become. Sabihin mo sa kami, friend, the older I get, the yummier I become. Sino may gusto niyan? Di ba? Pag yummy, iba talaga. Right? This is the best part. Ask me what's the best part. Yung normal in terms of money, the older you get, mas kumikita na malaki, or the older you get, there's a lot of fear around earning. Fear. That's normal. However, that's not natural. In nature, if you take a look at a tree, let's say a mango tree. A mango tree namumunga ng 10 years, tama ba? But can they bear fruit until 100 years? Oh, you bet. But how come that is now going on? And that is something that we want you to awaken with. Because at the end of the day, if you're not awakened to the whole truth, you will live your life in a way, it's always kapos. It's always scarcity. In fact, I would always put up here, if you want to write the first word of the day is what we call normal. What's the word? And normal is always about lack. L-A-C-K. Laging kulang. Kaya tayo kinakabahan. Alam mo, blessed lang ako dahil I've trained so many people, and nung nalaman namin may gera, tumaas yung gasolina, tumaas lahat, ang tanong ko sa kanila, at a scale of 1 to 10, gaano kayo katakot, ka-worried sa nangyayari? Alam mo yung sagot nila, karamihan on an average 2. Sabi ko, i-compare mo ito versus pandemic. Naalala nyo, 2020? They said out of 10, it's 11. Simply because they understand that as a normal human being, it's all about fear. What's the word? We were all wired up to be afraid of what's going on in the world today. Tapos pag natakot ka na, syempre anong kilos mo? Excitement or magtago? Tago. Why? Because there's doubt. May bukas pa ba? In fact, the more crisis we experience, the more we are excited. Ask me why. Because ang asawa ng crisis, opportunity. Maganda ba yun? And if we want to live a great life, the thing we need to do is to really stop worrying about the things that you have no control about. And 100% of our worry in life, we have zero control. And yet we live our life based on fear, based on doubt, based on worry. And therefore, at this phase, maybe we're programmed for lack/scarcity. And I don't know if you know this, but this is the best time to live our lives. Ask me why. In the 1900s, for you to earn as much money as you can, you need to put out what? Factory. At kokonti lang yung mayaman, tama ba? In the 1950s, since ang dami ng factory, the way you earn is number 2, is what we call large corporation. That's why pag wala kang MBA, PhD, kung hindi ka tapos na pag-aaral, talagang hindi ka magiging successful katulad ng gusto natin. Yes or yes? But did you notice right now, kahit sino pwedeng maging successful? Sige nga, no? Tingnan natin. Kung artista ka, kailangan unang-una meron kang itsura. Not only pleasing personality, but looks talaga. Kasi iba yung looks sa personality. But it will have to go hand in hand. Right? Now, maganda ka na, may talent ka pa. Kaso lang, pag wala kang backer, patay tayo dyan. At kung may backer ka, ang hirap din pumasok. Bakit? It's now just, again, what? Maybe monopolized by I don't know. But right now, anyone can be famous. No? Kagabi, pinapanood ko yung wag mo na, yung gumagano lang. Sino yun? Ano yun? Yung nagtatransform siya. Sino yun? Ay, di mo kilala. Buti naman, iba'y pinapanood mo siguro, no? Alam niya yun, yung kinikilig siya. And now he's phenomenal worldwide. Tapos, here's the thing. Alam niyo sinong kakolab niya ngayon? Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera, what? 20 million follower, wanna collab with nobody. We now have the greatest time of our life to really live. However, the only way that can happen for you is we now shift ourselves, no longer become the normal human being. Because ano yung opposite ng normal? Natural. So sulat natin dyan, natural. But as natural human being, this is one thing I want to let you understand. And I'll guarantee you, if you apply what you've learned here, I will not say instant, gaganda at gaganda lalo kagad ang buhay mo, but guarantee the older you get, your life become better and better and better. Up until one day, yung mga pangarap mo, hindi mo na pinapangarap. Ask me why. Bibilihin mo na lang. Maganda ba yung ganyan? And that's something we want you to understand because as natural, when I say natural, what's the word? You're like nature. Part of the nature system. And the nature, the trees, the birds, the cow, we belong to one source. And this source is who I call him, it's God. Now, I'll be very clear. This is not a religious seminar. I'm not gonna talk about my religion because I don't practice any particular religion right now. Whatever religion you have, stay there. If you're Catholic, stay as a Catholic. If you're Iglesia, stay as Iglesia. If you're Buddhist, stay Buddhist. If you don't believe in God, stay where you are. But what I naturally believe here is that we are all created in one source, one being, one divinity. And for the purpose of this seminar, we call Him God. Okay lang ba? Raise your right hand if you're okay for me to mention the word God. Tapos tignan mo yung katabi mo. Which means you're now claiming as a beautiful creation of God, you are natural, and therefore as natural, there will always be no lack. In fact, the word here is abundance. What's the word? Walang katapusan. What if ang belief system natin tungkol sa pera parang hangin? Maganda ba yon? Yung paniwala natin tungkol sa pera parang hangin lang. Kung gusto mo kumita, everyone, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Ulitin natin. Tapos i-observe mo yung katabi mo, makichismis ka, kung nagtira ba siya, kung nag-ipon ba siya, kung nag-manage ba siya, kung nagkaroon ba siya ng mga iba't ibang departmento sa pera. Tingnan mo yung katabi. Inhale, exhale. May nagtira ba? May nag-ipon ba? May nagsabi ba, i-budget mo yung hangin, ha? Meron bang na ganon? Wala. Bakit? Why? Because the moment we were born up until now, we know that we don't even have to pray, Lord, give me air, because air is always available. And that's what I believe in. Whatever you want in your life, whether it's health, it's relationship, or money, it's always available. Ask me why. Because we have a source that is abundant. Walang katapusan. No beginning and an end. That's the energy that we create, except that maybe the reason why we're so afraid because maybe instead of lack, we now start to think there's always plenty for everyone. And how do we now move from scarcity to lack to right now thinking that plenty and abundance is always available? Ask me how. Never hard work. May kilala kayong tao, grabe yung trabaho, as in sobrang hardworking. Naubos ng health, nagkasakit na, gumanda ang buhay, o mas lalong pumangit. Mas lalong pumangit. And yet, we were all wired up for you to get what you want. You have to work so hard. Sabi nga sa Matthew, look at the birds in the sky. They don't work. They don't harvest. They don't store in the barn. And yet, they're taken care of. So ang tanong ko, sino mas magaling, ikaw or yung ibon? Pantay lang po yan. Walang lamangan dito. Pagsabi pareho lang, nilalang ng Diyos. Kaso lang yung ibon, hindi na-introduce sa kanya yung fear. Klaro? Yung ibon, hindi siya nagdududa kung ibon ba ako or hindi. And yung ibon, hindi nagwo-worry. Ask me why. Because again, in the end, they know who they are. Ang problema sa atin, we don't even know who we are. And this is one thing I do, no? By July next year, 2027, it will be my 20th year to do seminars like this. Palakpakan nyo naman ako. 20th year. And one thing I understand, no? Halos lahat ng couple, husband and wife, 9 out of 10, nagsasama na lang for the sake of just being together, but not really fully connected. And people say, normal lang yan. No, it's not. And we don't want that. But maybe there's something that we need to start looking into. And the awakening here is that everything starts with your faith, sa iyong paniniwala. Kung ano yung result ng buhay mo, hindi yan nanggaling sa hard work mo, hindi yan nanggaling sa smart work mo, nanggaling yan sa paniniwala mo. So kung paniniwala mo, para gumanda at umasenso ang buhay, hard work ka ng hard work, aasenso ka, gagandang buhay, pero pahirapan. What if your belief system here, success is easy and exciting? Can you say that? Ready, begin. Success is easy, exciting. Now, when you believe success, it's easy and exciting, kahit gaano kahirap, iisipin mo, dali lang yan. Kaya naman mahirap because we are not familiar with the new things. But the moment na familiarize mo yan, everything will be easy. And therefore, the awakening here is to let you understand that when you believe that you are a natural being created by one source who is abundant, and therefore, your life will be abundant. And your action here from faith is we call hope. What's the word? Kilos lang kahit hindi magandang nangyayari. Kasi wala namang sasabihin, toxic positivity. O mas maganda yan kaysa toxic negativity. Yeah, just act and feel and think of whatever you want. It's on its way. But you have to act in hope. But above all, the most natural state of our Creator is what we call love. And today, for this to happen, The most important action plan that I would love you guys to start embracing is really loving yourself. Sabi nga, you cannot give what you don't have. Kaya nang pala, puro sakit, sama ng loob, ang nararamdaman natin sa buhay kasi bigay din ng bigay at naubusan tayo. And that is where this whole 2 days is all, this whole 1 day is all about. So again, I'd like to honor and acknowledge and thank all of you for choosing to be here. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Okay lang ba? Introduce ko yung sarili ko. So my name is Ras Coulson. Can everyone say hi, Ras? Please do not call me sir. Karamihan kasi, pag nakikita, nasa stage, may hawak na mic, sir ka agad. Do not call me sir. Klaro lang. I would love to be called by my first name. Practice style. Hi, Ras. Do not even call me ma'am. Obvious naman lalaki ako. Malaki lang yung boobs ko. Pero lalaki po ako. Okay? By May 24, next Sunday will be my 55th year to live on earth. Pinapalakpakan pa yan. Anyone younger than me, mas taas ang kamay, halos lahat yata. Ako yung pinakamatanda dito, okay lang. Sa itsura, hindi naman. Born and raised in Davao City, I know we have people from Davao. Palakpakan natin ating major sponsor. Okay? Taga Davao po. Pumunta lang sila dito just to support our progress. And therefore, sinubukan ko na po yung lotion. Ako, ang ganda. Kaya ang taas ng aura ko ngayon because of the lotion. Maraming salamat. Anyone who's from Davao who's here, raise your hand. Palakpakan natin. Maraming salamat. Okay? Nakarating na ng Davao. Ay, hindi lahat. Alam na may Davao City. Kahit anong gagawin ko, ayaw tumas ng kamay. Okay lang yan, no? And because I'm from Davao City, ako po'y pinalaking Bisaya. May mga Bisaya din ba dito? O pakpak mga Bisaya, may buntag sa itanan. So pasensya na, pag naisunod ang dela ko, Bisaya na po tayo, no? And I just feel so blessed because, again, I did not come from a poor family. In fact, I come from a good family. Except lang yung aking paniwala sa aking pagpalaki is never ako maging successful. Ask me why. Because lumaki ako, feeling ko bobo ako. Repeater po ako sa grade school, pasang-awa ako sa high school, hanggang college. Meron bang ganyang feeling nyo bobo din kayo? Wow, mga honor. Congratulations, no? And here's the worst part. Pagkasabi, what's the worst part? Bobo na, pangit pa. No, all my life, 46-inch waistline, 240 pounds, and I didn't like myself really. Blessed lang ako because at age 21, when I graduated my university, nagkaroon ako ng mentor. Yun pala yung pinaka-key. Kaya hanggang ngayon, mentor pa na mentor. Ask me why. Because a mentor can change the course of your life. And my mentor introduced to me the world of personal development. So can you imagine, at age 21, nagpa-personal development na ako. And I improved myself. And at age 35, I was the most successful human being alive. Nakilala ko sarili ko. But at that time, I did not understand myself. Bakit? So hindi ko na ikikwento kasi pag nagkikwento ko, abot ng 2 oras yan. Okay? Good thing. Now, I have a very good friend. His name is Raymond de los Reyes. He gave me a gift for emotional reset and awakening for me to share my whole story about bakit nilagay ko tong course na ito. And mind you, pinakamurang course po na meron ako is 15,000 per head. And right now, you're just paying 1,499. Palakpakan nyo naman ako. Regalo ko po to sa sambayanang Pilipino kasi hindi ko lang alam kung napanood nyo yung nag-viral video ni Gigi Delana. Dahil nag-viral, 20 million views. Siyempre, nabanggit ako doon. Dinumog kami ng inquiry, siguro mga 10,000, 20,000 inquiry. Nung nalaman nilang yung inatenan ni Gigi Delana is 75,000 per head. Meron tayong 150, may 300, may 1 million. Biglang tit, sin zone. And I get it. This is not our priority. But if we keep on pushing and pushing our life based on the same normal way of thinking, your life will never change. It will still be the same up until you die. So this is my gift to Filipino because I only have one dream. Wala na po akong pangarap para sa aking sarili. Kasi bakit ko pa ipapangarap, bibilihin ko na, kaya ko na yan. Okay ba yon? Pero isa na pangarap ko, samahan niyo ako. Ask me what? One day, Philippines, first world country, walang mangingibang bayan, iwan ng pamilya because ang ekonomiya nandito. Huwag na po natin iasa sa gobyerno. God bless the government. But laban na natin to para sa bayan natin, para sa pamilya natin, para sa anak natin. But the only way we can do this is to change the mindset of Filipino people. starting with awakening na tayo isang dakilang lahi, pinagpala anak ng Diyos. Therefore, we deserve all the blessing.